guys, this is SN Thakur and welcome to my show. I'm going to do the first ever build by myself about the PC computer, and it's all about how do you use it for video rendering. So this is my Manli Gallardo. I haven't found any reviews or videos regarding this particular piece, so this is going to be, I think, the first in English one. So here we go. We are going to unbox this. The vendor just sent me this box through the mail, and I just received it yesterday. So I'm just going to open it. Let's see what we have here. A bit of damage there, but I think it's just a box. I think we can afford that much. Let's see what we have at the back end. There are some instructions. Key features: VR ready, that's nice. Nvidia VR works, okay. Game ready if you are into gaming. G-Sync is there, the new one, okay. And we have a lot of different stuff, so I'm not going to go over all of this stuff, but I'm going to just show you what this box has to offer. I guess not bad. Let's start opening the box. Okay, so let's see. Oh, okay. So I guess the vendor made sure that it is well protected in newspapers. Okay. Okay, so here we are. This is Manli, or I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Manli, but it's Gallardo. And what do we have here in the box? Okay, the first impression. Well, I have our doubts about this. I mean, no one uses CDs anymore, but hey, it's a big thing to happen. And okay, we have the manual with it. We have a lot of instructions. The general instructions I've already mentioned about it. How to install it. It has in 2 languages, I guess. The second one is in Chinese and the other one is in English. So you take your pick and you can start using it. So let's unveil this particular doohickey. Okay, it has 3 fans. Right from the bat, it has 3 fans. Nothing to be concerned about. Looks like a good heat sink. Okay, we have an 8-pin socket here, and behind it we have a lot of stickers. Warranty void if removed. Okay, if you can see those things, here we go. And it has a printed VR ready logo on it. So there are approximately 4 ports, and the 5th one is, I'm not sure what it is for. Let me just try to get it off. Oh, it seems that this is the DVI port. So we have approximately 1 HDMI and 3 display ports, and it occupies 2 slots in the computer. That's the first impression. Doesn't look like a bad piece of hardware. although it looks a bit run down. Fans are smoother as ever. Hope this works. So this is the unveiling of the Gallardo Manli GTX 1070.